Hello guys, I do welcome you back at my YouTube channel. It's me, your boy Robert, and today I'm back with another video. So guys, first and foremost, for those that are new at my YouTube channel, I do vlog videos, I do travel videos, I do a lot of videos. But today I just wanted to come up with a video of 2 episodes where I'll show you how I do my editing, how I do my videos right here in my home. This is my room, and guys, I just want to show you. Yeah, this video goes direct to the beginners, those that have a dream of making videos like I do, those that have got a dream but they don't have those people that can at least give them a chance and pay attention to them so that they can show them how they can start up with their new career. So guys, I'm called Robert and I do videos. My YouTube channel is called Extra Vlogs. So guys, don't forget to subscribe at my YouTube channel. Please go and click the bell button so that you can get notifications for each and every video that I do upload. So guys, today I'll start with we shall go step by step so that I can be clear on whatever I'll be showing you. So guys, this is my small studio. Yeah, I'll be showing you the apps I use when I'm editing. They're like 4 apps that I use when I'm editing my videos, and I'll be mentioning all these apps, but I'll only explain the 2 apps that I use when I'm using the laptop. So the rest of the apps, I'm using them when I'm editing videos, maybe when I'm using my phone, when I'm using the tablet, this kind of thing. So I'll explain one by one. The second thing, since this video is going to be in 2 categories or in 2 parts, the first part I'm going to be showing you what I normally use when I'm editing videos right here at home, whatever that I'm using. So guys, I'll be showing it to you so that at least I can give you a link on your new beginning. So first and foremost, the second video will be showing you how like the outcome of what we shall be doing. We shall be working on this watch. This is a smartwatch, as guys you can see. It's a smartwatch, and we are going to draw an advert for this watch. So guys, I want you to see the outcome of everything and how we always do this kind of editing. I know most of you are there struggling to find out how they do editings. I normally get messages, people asking me, bro, how do you edit? How do you do the transitions? How do you do the voicing? How do you do the backup voicing? How do you do this? How do you do any videos? So guys, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's me, your boy Robert. Guys, let's start up. Yeah, so guys, I'll show you the apps that I use either when I'm using a phone or I'm using a tablet when I'm editing videos or when I'm using a laptop. For the laptop, guys, I'll show you. Yeah, this is called a CapCut editing app. Yeah, it's quite easy for the beginners. I would suggest you to use like around 3 apps if you are a beginner. There's InShot. I'll mention it here, and I'll also explain about InShot, CapCut, VN. Also, there are quite variety of apps that you can use if you are a beginner. So there is this app. It's called CapCut. This is how it will be looking. This is the old version of it because I normally don't use it when I'm editing. I have quite a number of apps that I do use. So this is CapCut. This is one of the apps that I use. So this is where you find media. This is where you find local. It's where you find, like, if you want to import in more videos to be edited, the videos that you want to edit. So this is where you have to be dragging your videos, whatever. So it's quite easy. If you want to text, if you want to put stickers, so you just go and click on the stickers. Everything will be coming the way you want. So effects, if you want transitions, these are some of the effects that you can use. You get? So guys, it's quite easy. If you want to use the filters, also the filters will be loading. My network is quite slow, but we shall go with that. I just, guys, want to give you a click of what this app can do. Yeah, this app is so nice. I've tried it several times. It's really so nice. Guys, I'm sorry for the background, but you know, this is my room and I normally do my editing here. So just go with that. But another app is this one. It's called Film Forth. Yeah, this is the other app that I normally use when it comes to when I'm using the laptop. So normally here I use two apps on the laptop, guys, as I told you. So here it will be showing you everything that you want. If you want to have any new project, so you come to a new project and you'll have to, they will be coming here, open project, new project. So let me just try and click there and see. So you will have to select whichever video that you want to be editing, and the videos will come over here. So it will take some time because of the network that I'm using. It's quite slow, but all projects, as you can see, guys. So it will be bringing in many projects, as you can see. So after you've added the project, then you can go and start editing. You get, guys? So this app is so nice. It's so nice. You can try it. It's really nice for the beginners. I would suggest you guys to use these apps. So I think I've shown you the apps that you can use when it comes to PC. Yeah, when it comes to PC for the beginners, I have quite a number of apps, but I will not suggest you to use them because it's better when you know exactly what you're doing. So guys, that is it. That is it. That is it. Yeah, I will let's have this in our background. So guys, you see all these guys, I think you can see all these are some of the effects that you can use. I'll play one. Let me play this one so that you can see. If you have a video that maybe you want to put some effects, kind of fireworks, so you can come over here and there's a lot of effects that you can be using. So guys, it's loading, it's quite slow. The second thing, guys, I'll show you the gadgets that I use in total and everything. I'll be explaining everything. So guys, don't forget to subscribe at my YouTube channel. It's me, your boy Robert. I'm showing you what you have to use if you are a beginner in video editing and everything that you must be using. At least the first thing you should have a laptop, you should have a camera, or you should have your simple phone. Is enough. Your simple phone is enough. You don't need anything else. As long as you have a phone, you have even if you don't have a camera, but you have a phone that is good and having a good camera, you can start up a project. Yeah, so guys, since I told you we are going to be working on this watch that you see here, it's a smart watch, and this is what we are going to be working upon. So I'll show you some of the things that I do use during the day when I'm either going to take videos, to record different places, or if when I am editing. But specifically today here, I will show you how we do edits, how we edit videos, how we edit pictures, how we edit adverts. I will show you guys this phone, this watch is going to act as our first project. Is going to be an advert in advance. So I'll show you some of the things that I use when I'm editing. I'll start with the sound or voicing. So I normally use these headsets when I'm going to voice a video. So it will give you a very nice background of the voice. It's having a nice microphone. As you can see, this is the microphone. So eventually, whatever will be in the video. Maybe you've been doing vlogging and you want to edit that video. So this is very nice when it comes to editing. It's adjustable, so it's connected to the laptop. So I normally use it when I'm editing with the laptop. I can adjust the volume, I can lower it down, I can record, I can do everything with these headsets. They are quite expensive, but you know, it's an investment. So guys, that's one of the gadgets that I use. I'll show you another one. Second thing are these wireless microphones. So this wireless microphone, I normally use them when I'm doing vlogging around, when I go around different places, I use them. At the same time, when I'm editing, I do use them on my projects. As you can see, this is one that I'm putting on right now, and I'm using sofa. And these are the wireless microphones. The second thing, I use light. So you can see this is the base of the light. So I normally put it down so that I can have a clear picture and a clear view of myself. You understand? Because I'm in my room, I don't have these nice gadgets, like, but I use the less that I have so that, guys, you can have the best from me. So I always use this one, as you can see, it's there. Yes. And I have this. This is, I'll assemble it here for you guys. I'll assemble it here for you. This is also part of, it's called the vlogging stick. Yeah. So this is how it is. I will show you. I'll put a phone on here so that it is easy for you to know how it works. So this is how it is in most of the times. So if I want to record a video, this is how it is. It has got a wire that's connected here then to the phone. And the second thing, I always use this. This is a lens for the phone. As you can see, this is how it looks. It's a lens. I do connect it to the camera of the phone, just like you see. It will be connected, and trust me, I will be seeing you wherever you'll be hiding. So that's how it works, and this is how normally I go to do my vlogging, etc., etc., etc. So these are some of the things that I use. Yeah. Second thing, yeah, this is done. Put it down. I'll put this down because I need some space. I'm not having that enough space. Yeah. So guys, what else? What else? I'll have to show you this. This is my gimbal. This is my gimbal. This is called Smooth 4. It's a nice gimbal. I've used this one for almost 1.5 years. It's really nice, and I'm keeping it really, really, really safe because I don't want it to have any damages, because it's something that is really unique. You can see how it's packed, and this is how it comes. It's like this. Yeah. These are some of the tools that I use, either when I'm editing or when I'm recording videos or when I'm vlogging or doing vlogs anywhere, interviews, etc., etc. So this is the Smooth 4. This is the Smooth 4 gimbal. So this gimbal will work on all phones. Let it be Android, let it be Apple phones, iOS. So it's really nice. Yeah, you just have to download an app. Which is called Zune, something like that. I'm not so sure. I forgot the name, but you just have to download an app and then log in. This kind of stuff. So this gimbal, you just have to connect. This is you connect this, and this what you use to make it stand and be like this. So it will be like that. This is how it will be if you connect the down part. And when you switch it on, I'll show you how it will operate if you switch it on and how useful it will be. Okay. So if I switch it on, it will be really operating or using it the way I would like. So now it's switched on. As you can see, the phone will change, and that's how it will be giving you a good balance of your video. Even if you change location, even if you are shaking for it, it will not shake. So this is how it operates. I think you guys can see how the phone is moving smoothly. So that's how the gimbal works. This is the operation area where you do operate it from. You can either change here to lock it or to unlock it. If even if you do like this, the phone will stay in the same position. This is the menu of the gimbal. This is the DISP, or display, where if you're controlling it on the phone here, so it will be this way, the display. If you want to go to the display, and this is where you turn. If you want to turn the camera on the other side and this way, so this is where you turn. You know, it's having a lot of operation. This is where you take picture or take videos from. If you want, you just have to place here, and then you'll be taking the videos right over there. So this kind of equipment can operate your phone without you touching the screen. So this is how good it is. You operate your phone, taking videos, taking pictures without you touching your phone screen. So I'll switch it off. It's fully charged, and then it's off. When you switch it off, that means it will be back in that way. Yeah. The last thing, guys, I'll show you. Before we proceed, guys, I urge you to subscribe at my YouTube channel. It's me, your boy Robert. Guys, kindly subscribe. Let's grow a very big family. Subscribe at my channel. Don't forget to click the bell button so that you get notification at each and every video that I'll be uploading. Guys, share this video. If you know you are a beginner, comment in this comment section and ask me whichever question that you would like to ask me. I'll really support you. I'll give you a hand so that at least, guys, we can do better. We can do better. Another thing that I always do use when I'm editing my videos, since I don't have these advanced speakers and the rest of the stuff, I always use this. I always use this is a mini sound. It's wireless. So this what I normally use. I just connect it to the laptop via Bluetooth, and if I want to play any sound, I want to feel it, I want to see the bass, I want to hear whatever, I use this. So it's part of my editing equipments. But one last thing, guys, I would like to show. This is part one of the video, and the next part will be showing you how, like I will be showing you the outcome of this watch, how we do editing, how we do create darkness and close all the areas to make sure there's no light loops, to make sure that we get the image the way we want it, from the base to the light source, from the light source to the camera, to the edges of the light. So guys, this is what it takes. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of courage, it takes a lot of experience to do all this kind of work. It's really not easy, but for the beginners, I believe, and I'm sure you will get to know. Yeah. This is for the content creators. Yes, I've specifically made this video for the content creators mostly. Yeah, and eventually I do have the camera. Yes, this is the camera. I always use it sometimes when I go on the streets. Yeah, this is the camera. It's a Canon SX40, has all HS. It's a power shot camera. It's a very strong camera. It's really nice. It's out of battery, but I would show you how it's operating. But it's a very nice camera. It's easy to operate. As guys, I can show you, this is where you switch it on. This is where you change. Let's say if you want to zoom in or something like that, this is where you do that. If you want to record the video, this is where you place this kind of thing. So it's easy to operate, and it's really nice if you are doing YouTube videos, if you are doing TikTok videos. So for those that are beginners, I would inquire, if you're a beginner, a YouTuber, a TikToker, please use the gadgets that you have. With time, you can just go and buy what you think you need. But if you're a beginner, use what you have. You can either use your phone. That small phone you do have can do very nice videos. But after some time, you can get all this. I didn't start with all this, though I know I don't have most of the things, but at least I'm somewhere. So use what you have. Just don't rush what you don't have. That will cost you too much, and then you'll feel like, you know, you are not gaining from your efforts and everything. So guys, this is what we do. It's requiring, it's asking me for update, restart, not now. Yeah, guys. Anyway, so guys, this is the Canon SX40. Yeah, it's a very nice camera. As you can see, I normally use it sometimes. So these are some of the equipments that I do use, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. I do urge you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yes,